Good morning, children. In the previous chapter, we had started with acid, bases and salts. And we saw what is acid, what is base. According to Arrhenius, we had given the definition. Acid is a substance which releases hydrogen or ions or hydronium ions in aqueous solution. Base is a substance which releases OH minus ions or hydroxide ions in aqueous solution. Along with that, we had also studied how to identify acid and base using an indicator. We saw the various indicators, natural indicator, synthetic indicator, as well as olfactory indicators, and how to identify what changes we see in acid and bases. Today we will see different types of acids. Here, acids can be divided into various types on the basis of, here in this first case, acid is divided into two on the basis of the source from where it is obtained. From the source from where it is obtained. Now, mineral acid. This is obtained from minerals, from the earth. This is also called as inorganic acid. Second, organic acid. This acid is obtained from plant and animal products. Now, organic acid is generally the acids which we can consume easily. Like from plant we get citric acid or lactic acid, tartaric acid, all these various acetic acid, all these various acids are organic acid. These are consumable. We consume it. We consume tomatoes, we consume grapes, we consume citrus fruits. So we are consuming these organic acids. But inorganic acids, they are very strong, generally very strong, and they are obtained from the earth, minerals from the earth. For example, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. Now these are the main three mineral acids or inorganic acids. Now the second type of division. Acids can be divided into two on the basis of the amount of water present in that acid. Now, first is your concentrated acid and second is dilute acid. We say concentrated HCl, hydrochloric acid, or concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated means that it contains more acid and less water in it. It is in aqueous, but the concentration of water is less in concentrated acid, whereas in dilute more of water is present and less of acid is present. So concentrated acid we use very rarely during the experiments. We use generally dilute acids often, but concentrated we use less, and it is more corrosive than dilute. Now, another type of acid which is divided on the basis of strength, that is strong acid and weak acid. Strong acids are those acids which are very, very corrosive. They are generally, that is, their strength is very high or their pH is very low. About pH we will study later on, but strong acid, its strength is very high. Generally, mineral acids are strong acids and organic acids are weak acids. These weak acids or organic acids can be consumed, whereas strong acid, mineral acid, they are not consumed. They are very, very corrosive and they harm us. So, overall, acids are divided according to the depending upon the source, depending upon the amount of water, and depending upon strength in different types, that is mineral acid, organic acid, concentrated, dilute, strong and weak. Now, coming to the physical properties of acids. Acids, as you have studied before, acids you also have tasted. How does lemon taste or a fruit taste? It tastes sour. So, acids, they are sour in taste. We have also seen how it tests in the litmus paper. In the litmus paper, blue litmus paper turns red for acids. Acid solution, they conduct electricity. Acid in aqueous or in solution form, they can conduct electricity. How do they conduct electricity? Because they have free electrons. How they are having free electrons? I told you that this acids, when in aqueous, they release hydronium ions or H plus ions or hydrogen ions. So ions are present or free electrons are present. These are responsible for the flow of electricity in aqueous. But if the acid is dry, that is, it is not aqueous, then it will not conduct electricity. Remember this. Whenever it is in aqueous or in solution form, only then it will conduct electricity, because free electrons or ions are released there. But in the other case, when it is dry, it will not release any ions and hence it will not conduct electricity. So acids in aqueous, they conduct electricity. Then the next one is acids are highly corrosive. Strong acids, they are generally corrosive in nature. They can cause harm. So these are the physical properties and different types of acids. In the other class, we will see more about acids.